In this video, we're diving deep into the AI Web Scraper AI software, a tool that's just hit the market and is already making waves in the digital space. Whether you're new to web scraping or looking for a more efficient solution, stick around to discover the 7 critical things you need to know about this software before you start using it. First off, let's talk about what makes AI Web Scraper AI stand out from the competition. This software leverages cutting-edge AI technology to help you scrape data from websites quickly and accurately. Whether you're gathering product details, monitoring pricing, or collecting market intelligence, this tool automates what used to be a time-consuming and complex process. And yes, it's incredibly user-friendly, so even if you're a beginner, you won't be overwhelmed. Now, I know what you're probably wondering: how easy is it to use? The beauty of this software lies in its intuitive interface. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can get started scraping data without writing a single line of code. This is one of the reasons why AI Web Scraper AI has been getting so much attention. It's designed to simplify the scraping process, making it accessible to a broader audience. Let's talk about speed and efficiency. This tool is optimized to scrape massive amounts of data in a fraction of the time traditional methods take. The AI technology ensures that data is extracted accurately without the need for manual adjustments. If you've ever dealt with messy data extraction, you know how much time it can save to have a tool that does the job right the first time. With AI Web Scraper AI, you can gather data at scale with unmatched efficiency. One of the most impressive features is its flexibility. AI Web Scraper AI allows you to scrape any website without restrictions. It works with dynamic content, AJAX-loaded websites, and even sites that require login credentials. This is a game changer, especially for marketers and researchers who need data from a wide range of sources that may not be easily accessible using other scraping tools. Another key benefit is its automation capabilities. You can schedule scraping tasks to run on autopilot, which means you don't have to manually start the process every time you need fresh data. This saves a lot of time and ensures that you're always working with the most up-to-date information. It's particularly useful for e-commerce businesses who need to monitor competitors or track product pricing on a regular basis. AI Web Scraper AI also offers powerful data export options. You can export your scraped data into a variety of formats, such as CSV, JSON, and Excel, making it easy to integrate with your analysis tools or CRM systems. The tool gives you total control over how the data is structured, allowing you to customize the output to suit your needs. Let's not forget security. With the increasing importance of privacy and data protection, it's vital to have a scraper that respects website terms of service while maintaining a secure connection. AI Web Scraper. AI is built with strong encryption protocols to protect your data and ensure that your scraping activities remain discreet. Finally, for those of you wondering about the cost, AI Web Scraper AI offers a free trial so you can see for yourself whether it's the right tool for your needs without committing financially upfront. If you're ready to test it out, check out the first link in the description to access the free trial. After trying out thousands of AI software solutions, I can confidently say that this one has been a standout. For those of you looking for the best tools for digital marketing, automation, or data extraction, I've also listed my recommended AI software in the description below. Check them out and see which ones suit your business needs. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a like and check out the other AI tools in the description. This is one of the best AI Web Scraper AI solutions on the market, and it's only getting better. Happy scraping!